What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TJ back again with another video. So I'm going to show you how to get a doctor's note in the state of Texas. So the reason I was able to get a doctor's note because I have photophobia. And so yeah, I'm going to show y'all what it looks like on the inside. So for the ones who ask questions on whether you can see out. This is the inside. 80% full windshield, 5% sides, 5% bra. So when you get your letter, it's gonna come in this big old piece of thing right here. So yeah, it does take about like 5 to 7 days. They say it's 15 days on the paper, but I got it in 7 days. So the letter looks like this, and y'all can read this. Y'all can pause it if y'all want to read all of this. But and it says you can go all the way down to 5%. You cannot do below 5%. All right, so you type in dps.texas.gov. All right, so you click on vehicle inspection, then you go down to window tinting standards. So in Texas, you can tint the back windows 5%. You can black them out if you want to, as dark as you want to. But even with the doctor's note, there is one line you still cannot go past up below it. Anybody can do 25% on the front side windows, but with the doctor's note, you can go as low as 5%. Alright, you go down to window tint exemptions, and you find a link right here, and it takes you to this. So what you need to get done is you type all your information on the computer. Type it down. Get your address, birthday, email, your vehicle, the VINs, and get your doctor's name, his address, phone, and all that. So if you want to change a vehicle on your list, all you do is call DPS and give them your new VIN and replace it with the old one. And with the doctor's note, he writes you a letter, a legit letter. So when you get the letter from your doctor, make sure you fill all this out, and you get the letter that the doctor wrote up for you. So you can fax it, mail it in, or you can do it online. So here's the mailing address for you guys to send it to them. It does take up to 15 working days, they say on here, but I got my letter in 7 days. Note this, I advise that only people that should be sending this in is if they have a letter from the doctor. So yeah. If you have any questions about this, leave it in the comments below. Alright, but if y'all like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Anyways, peace.